Hi, this is Dean. I wanted to show off my 2023 Kia Forte GT manual. Turbocharged, 201 horsepower. I love this car. It is a hoot to drive. But please subscribe to my channel for more active content. Cars, motorcycles, bicycles, hiking, even some concert stuff. I bought this car just over a year ago and I flat out love it. I also looked at the Honda Civic Si, and really the only difference is the Si has the limited slip differential. A lot of things I haven't driven the Si, but a lot of things that I've read say performance wise this is a notch or two quicker, and it handles like a dream. The 421 Snake is one of those destination drives that motorcyclists and performance car drivers like to come and hit. It's about a 12-mile, 2 mountaintop stretch of twisties. It goes through Shady Valley where there's a service station that sells the stickers and t-shirts and all that kind of stuff. We're going to do the first 3 miles of this uphill. Like I said, I love this car. When I put it into sport mode, it takes a complete different characteristic. We'll do that now. And this is going to be about a 3-mile run. Probably won't be talking that much. There's only a couple of things with this car that kind of bug me. One is the placement of the pedals. They're not quite close enough for my foot to heel to toe shift. And the other thing is when you turn the car on, if you've had the air conditioner or the heater on, the fan starts out at full speed. road is great. Car, motorcycle, bicycle, anything. drive. This handle's so good. Not really much torque steer at all. I don't know how much difference the limited slip differential would actually make in the Civic Si. There we go. Hope you enjoyed the ride. Again, please click like and subscribe to my channel for more stuff like this.